Welcome to your Sunday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. And if you want to support this channel, consider hitting that join button and becoming a member. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. In this shave, I am using my Parker Best Silver Steel. Oh yeah, this is just a big, beautiful Japanese-made Swedish steel, and it is a quarter hollow. Very nice. Yes, it is. And for my soap tonight, here we go. We are going Barbus Classic. This is just got a fantastic, clean, fresh barbershop scent that I really like. And it does a really good job as well. Now I have had that puck blooming, just like normal. We're gonna pour that off and put that on this pre-shave. Yep, we get that going. Just like that. Very nice. Oh yeah. And really fantastic fresh scent. Clean, fresh. Very nice. Now get those hands a little cleaned off. And for my brush tonight, here we go. Yep. We are going with the Omega 10098. That is a Boar brush, and it's a big old Boar brush. Yes, it is. Now, go ahead and get that loaded up. All right. So we made it to the weekend. Oh yeah, so good. Hopefully you're being able to relax, enjoy yourself, be with family and friends, yeah, and just have some downtime. Yep, I am going, oh yeah, I am going to be out in the woods and be outside in the clean, fresh air. Yep, that's what I've been doing. That's what I plan on doing today. Yep. And it's going to be good. It is. So we've been, checking out all kinds of different state parks here. So we're going to continue doing that until we pretty much seen them all. Yeah. Because why not? Yeah. And it is just so nice to be outside, to be in the woods. Now I'm going to clean up around the outside of that. We're going to clean up also around the inside of that puck as well. Just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to put most of that on the brush, but the rest going on the face. Again, this is my pre-shave routine. And works well. Yep. Yeah, I wouldn't use any kind of pre-shave oil because I think for me, it defeats the purpose of the soap. The soap is got lye in it, and that is mixing with the oil in your hair, and that is making that hair stiffer and easier to cut. Yep. In my opinion. Here we go. Let's get our lather on. Oh yeah. Yeah, I load that brush nice and pasty. That's the way I like it. And then I can add water. So I dip those bristles in the sink. This is another cold water shave. And we start making lather. Oh, nice, 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 nice. And again, the scent of this soap really comes out as you're lathering it. Quite nice. Feel it actually has a great scent off the puck as well. But when you're lathering it, it seems to come alive. Yep. And this is the wet brush technique. So that brush has got more than enough water in it. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Nice. There you go. Check that out. What do you think? Pretty good, right? Yeah. Now get those hands rinsed off and dried off. Yep. Yeah, it got humid here. I don't know what the weather's like where you are, but it got humid. A little warmer than what I would like, but it's okay. And as long as you're outside and you're in the shade or you're in the forest, it's pretty nice. It is. Now, here we go. This is pass one. And for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Laid that razor flat. Raised it a spine width. Looking for that 20 to 30 degree shaving angle. Stretching with my offhand, stretching with blowing out my cheek, all of it. Nice shallow angle. There we go. I think I felt something there. We're going to do a strike on that right now, and it'll be all right. There we go. Nice. Now we're switching hands. We're going to get, almost went too fast, didn't I? Okay, we're going to finish this side. Here we go. There we go. Nice. Now we're switching hands. Going to stretch with that offhand. Lay that razor flat. raise the spine width. Keep in mind, every time you move to a different part of your face, you've got to regain that shaving angle, okay? And don't come in too hot. You want a nice shallow angle, and you want to find that proper shaving angle. There we go. Nice. Now, get that blade cleaned off. There you go. Pass 1 complete. Yep. And it felt good. Let's go ahead, get that rinsed off. See how we did. Oh, nice. That's good. Oh, and look at that. Just get that wet. It comes right back to life. Very slick. If you like a slick soap, I think this would do it for you. Go ahead, get dried off, and let's get our lather on. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. Beautiful lather. All right. Now, this is pass 1, and for me primarily, that's going to be against the grain. Let's do this. Nice, nice. Now get that razor rinsed off. We're going to switch hands, get this other side. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, that chin, you have to be really careful around it. Trying to keep that razor as flat as possible. That's what I've found works the best for me. Yeah. Keeping it as flat as possible around that chin. Trying to just rotate the blade around that chin. And then you are good to go. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Great shave. All right, here we go. We are going Alum everywhere. Yep. This is astringent and antiseptic. Great if you hit a bump or two. It will help seal that off and you'll be in good shape. Yep. Here we go, just like that. Now I will take a little towel. We're going to just dry that off. Just like that. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse followed by witch hazel. In my case, I'm going with the Thayers Lemon Witch Hazel. This is lemonade for the face. It is marvelous. It is refreshing like this soap. And it's got a great scent. Yeah, it does. Fantastic. Fantastic scent. And I'm going to put that everywhere. I am. Yep. Good to go. Yeah, baby. There we go. Now, we are going Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. This stuff is fantastic and help get that face moisturized again and all set up. And it's got a nice scent as well. We're going to put that pretty much everywhere, just like that. Very nice. Now for my Cologne aftershave thing. Here we go. We are going Tabac Original. Oh yeah. I'm thinking this works. I am. I'm thinking this works with this. So we're going to get some of that going as well. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, good. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see straight talk about straight razors. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.